Welcome to my channel. If we haven't met before, I'm Kari Gregor.
How you doing?
I'm so glad you're here. Today, I'm making the best black bean corn salad, or salsa, sometimes known as Cowboy Caviar.
This is the cowboy way.
It's the perfect whole food, plant-based dish to take along to your next potluck or barbecue party. Let's get into it. Let's start off making the salad with some corn. Take 2 cans of sweet corn, drain it, rinse it, and then pour it onto a cookie sheet so it can be put under the broiler. You can use fresh corn, put it out on the grill.
What do you mean I'm not invited? That's my corn out there. You guys are guests in my corn.
Right.
This is a perfect seasonal thing for the summertime. The corn doesn't have to be roasted, but it does add a nice kind of smoky flavor to the salad. We want to put this under the broiler and let it toast until they're nice and golden brown. While that's roasting, let's get the vegetables chopped up. Once the vegetables are chopped and we have a nice golden browned broiled corn or barbecued corn, you can put that into a bowl. Add 2 cans of black beans drained and rinsed, half a chopped green pepper, half a chopped red pepper, a quarter chopped sweet red onion, and a quarter of a jalapeno pepper, seeded and finely chopped. You can add in 2 or 3 tomatoes if you want. It's such a simple salad to make. Stir that all together. This roasted corn and black bean salad is best served at room temperature, which makes it the perfect take-along dish for any occasion.
How do you know what the exact temperature of the room is?
Under the terms of my roommate agreement with Leonard, I've had unilateral control of the thermostat ever since the sweaty night of '06.
And you can really make it whole food by excluding all the salt and sugar if you want. Or just add in as much as you like to your own taste. Because remember, when you make it yourself, you have total control over the fat, salt, and sugar.
Slow down!
Oh, Daddy, it's the perfect time to speed. I don't have my license yet. Besides, I am in total control.
Are you getting value from this video? Give me a thumbs up below, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when another recipe is posted. Now let's mix the dressing for the salad. I'm using a couple of tablespoons of applesauce instead of oil. So this is an oil-free whole food option. 2 or 3 tablespoons of that. We have 1½ teaspoons of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lime juice. That adds a nice southwest zest. We're using 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Then we have 1½ teaspoons of sugar, optional, and ½ a teaspoon of salt, also optional. There is a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and a pinch of chili powder. Stir that together, and that's the dressing for the salad.
What do you think of when you hear the word Sudden Valley?
Salad dressing, I think.
We simply pour the dressing over our mixed vegetables. These are all nice hard vegetables, so this salad will keep for 2 or 3 days. It's very nice. If you mix in the avocado or the tomatoes, it's not going to keep as well. So I prefer to use avocado and tomatoes as garnish. So let's cut some avocado slices and use them as garnish. I use lime juice in this handy spray bottle, and that keeps the avocados from going brown, and it also adds a nice flavor. So with avocado on the top, this is a beautiful salad to take to any occasion or to have for dinner at home. Let's give this salad a try. I'm just going to taste it on its own without. Oh, that's so good. The red pepper in there, it makes a great dip. That's why I've got these chips here. I'm gonna try and pick a small one.
Welcome back, Cowboy.
This is a fantastic dish to have on as a side dish, or use it as a main dish. Put it in a wrap with some lettuce, some of our Southwest salad dressing, maybe even some of the crispy lime plant-based chicken. It'd be so good. It is so good. So, if you got some value from this video, give me a thumbs up below. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button. Next video, we're going to be getting ready for the July 4th with some vegan, plant-based hot dogs. So, while you're down there, click the bell so you will receive a notification when that recipe is posted. Thank you for watching.